Power up your slides. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about inserting pictures, inserting screenshots, inserting audio files, inserting video files, action buttons. PowerPoint 2016 is a graphical and visual application software used for creating presentations. We can create, view and present slideshows that combine text with pictures, screenshots, animations, audios, videos, etc. Let us learn how to add pictures, audio, video files, etc. to enhance the presentation. Inserting pictures. Adding pictures to a presentation makes it more interesting and engaging. Pictures help us present ideas clearly and attract the audience's attention. In PowerPoint, we can insert pictures from our computer or online sources, such as Microsoft's large library of images. Once added, a picture can be resized and moved anywhere on the slide. The steps to insert a picture from files on our computer are as follows. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Pictures option in the Images group. Step 3. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Step 4. Search and select the desired image file from the computer and click the Insert button. The picture will appear in the slide. Similarly, we can use pen drive, camera, smartphone, webcam, etc. to save a picture on the computer. Then we can insert that picture into our presentation. We can also insert pictures from online sources. The steps to insert pictures from online sources are as follows. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Online Pictures option in the Images group. Step 3. The Insert Pictures dialog box will appear on the screen. Step 4. Enter the search term in the Bing Image Search text box and click the Search button. Choose the picture to be added from the inbuilt categories. Step 5. Click the Insert button. The picture will get inserted. Inserting screenshots. One interesting feature of PowerPoint is that we can insert a screenshot of other open applications on our computer directly into a presentation without using any other program. The steps to insert a screenshot are as follows. Step 1. Go to the Images group on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Screenshot drop-down menu to look at full-screen snaps of all the applications running on the computer under the available windows. Step 3. Select one of the screenshots to add it directly to the presentation. Step 4. If we do not want to capture the entire screen and need only a portion of it, we can use the screen clipping option while inserting a screenshot. Inserting audio files. PowerPoint supports multimedia in the slides. It allows us to create slides that contain not only text and pictures but also sound and video. We can add audio or video clips to the slides, which can be played during the presentation. The steps to insert audio file from the computer into a slide are as follows. Step 1. Go to the slide where you want to add sound. Click on the audio option in the Media group under the Insert tab. Step 2. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Audio on my PC to add an audio file from your computer. Step 3. The Insert Audio dialog box will open. Browse and select the audio file we want. Then click Insert. A speaker icon will appear on the slide to show that the audio has been added. We can also record our voice and can embed it in the presentation. The steps to record the voice and then embed it in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Move to the slide to which the sound has to be added. Click the Audio option under the Media group of the Insert tab. Step 2. The audio drop-down menu displays two options. Choose Record Audio to record the voice. Step 3. The Record Sound dialog box will appear. Click the Record button to start recording. Click the Stop button after we have finished recording. Click the Play button to listen to the recording. The dialog box notes how many seconds our recording lasts. Step 4. Click the OK button in the Record Sound dialog box if the recording is satisfactory. If not, click the Record button again to re-record. The speaker icon appears on the slide to show that the slide is accompanied by an audio file. We can drag the speaker icon anywhere on the slide. Two additional tabs, Format and Playback, appear under the Audio tools on clicking the speaker icon. The Playback tab has the Audio Options group, which has options to control the play of an audio. Clicking the Play Pause button in the Preview group will play or pause the audio file. Inserting video files. PowerPoint allows us to insert a video onto a slide and play it during the presentation. This is a great way to make the presentation more engaging for the audience. The steps to insert video file from the computer in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Click the video option under the Media group of the Insert tab. Step 2. The video drop-down menu displays two options. Click the Video on my PC option to insert a video from the computer or hard drive. Step 3. In the Insert Video dialog box, browse for a video file and click the Insert button. Video file is added to the slide. We can insert videos from the internet too. Some websites like YouTube allows us to embed videos into our slides. An embedded video will be hosted on its original website. The video itself would not be added to the file. Embedding can be a convenient way to reduce the file size of our presentation. But we need to be connected to the internet for the video to play. The steps to insert video file from the internet in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Click the video option under the Media group of the Insert tab. Step 2. The video drop-down menu displays two options. Click the Online Video option to insert a video from the internet. Step 3. The Insert Video dialog box will appear. Either paste the URL of the video, example from YouTube, or type relevant keywords in the Search YouTube bar and press Enter. Step 4. Click the Insert button. The video will get inserted. Step 5. Resize the video by clicking and dragging the corner handles until the video is of the desired size. Click the Play button to play it. Action buttons. Action buttons are tools that allow us to connect to a web page, file, email address, or slide within the same or a different presentation. These buttons are built-in shapes that can be added to a slide and set to perform actions such as linking to another slide, playing a sound, or opening a file. When someone clicks or hover over the button, the selected action occurs. Action buttons work much like hyperlinks, and their simple, clear design makes them specially useful for self-running presentations. The steps to insert action buttons in the slides are as follows. Step 1. Click the slide where action buttons are to be inserted. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the Shapes option in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu will appear with the action buttons located at the very bottom. Step 3. Select the desired action button. Step 4. Insert the button onto the slide by clicking at the desired location. The Action Settings dialog box will appear. Step 5. Select the Mouse Click or Mouse Over tab. Selecting the Mouse Click tab means the action button will perform its action only when clicked. Selecting the Mouse Over tab will make the action button perform its action when we move the mouse over it. Step 6. Click the OK button to apply the selected action.